Is your trusty vacuum struggling, making strained, desperate noises instead of sucking up muck? Could it be blocked because you've vacuumed up something you shouldn't have? Here are the 6 things you should never vacuum and how you should clean them up instead. Make sure you sign up for our free weekly Scoop newsletter for the latest advice for your home. Whether you've an open fire or a DIY project, ash, grit and sawdust can be a pain to clear up. The dust particles can be so fine that even a small amount can jam your filters and slow your vacuum suction. Sweeping up is best, but be careful. This can release the dust into the air, which can irritate your lungs. So try dampening the area first to prevent the dust going airborne. A vacuum might seem like the ideal way to clean up those small pieces of smashed glass. But wait! Those tiny sharp shards can lodge themselves in your cleaner's hose and motor and could even tear the bag if your vacuum cleaner has one. Your best bet is a dustpan, brush and lots of patience. But to pick up those tiny remnants, try dabbing with a wet kitchen towel. Muddy footprints or a toppled houseplant can leave their mark on your carpet. However, the weight of your vacuum is likely to push the dirt deeper down into your carpet's pile and may cause it to stain. So gently sweep the mess up with a dustpan and brush instead. Unless you have a special wet and dry model, vacuuming spilled drinks or moist messes such as cereal or coffee grinds is a bad idea. Wet material clogs your tubes and blocks your filter and causes dust inside to clump together and invite mould. Not to mention that mixing water and electricity can be a safety risk. So cloth, mop or kitchen roll are the recommended ways to clean up wet spillages. It may be tempting to suck 'em up instead of pick 'em up, but small objects such as pins or paper clips are not a job for your vacuum. Not only can they get stuck in the brush head, but the hard pointy bits can crack the internal tubing. Slower but safer for your vacuum, we recommend you pick up these objects by hand. Sucking up stuff such as syrup, glitter or glue can have sticky consequences for your cleaner. The goo can clog your filter, jam up your motor and congeal on your bristles. What's worse is when the sticky mass heats up and melts once inside, making your vacuum cleaner unsafe to use. A damp soapy cloth is best for many sticky residues, and distilled white wine vinegar is especially helpful for glue in your carpet. Aside from being careful about what you vacuum, the best way to keep your cleaner working effectively is through regular maintenance, keeping the floor head and filters clean and regularly emptying the dust chamber. For more advice about how to get the most out of your home appliances, sign up to our free weekly Scoop newsletter.